Hello everyone. So today let's paint this beautiful yet very simple Christmas card. All you need is a thick paper, watercolor paints and a fine brush. That's it. So let's start by dividing our paper vertically so that we get an idea where do we need to place our tree. For this I am using a simple method of using a spare paper on the side. Start by marking the center on your card first, and now on the rough paper I'm just placing it on above this to see how big I want my tree to be and also how broad I want it to be. So this makes it easier for me to make a proper triangle and also to understand the division of the space. So I have cut it off and now I'm ready to place it onto my card and just outline to make that tree. Now after this we just need to take our favorite colors, whatever colors you like. Here I'm taking green, that is a sap green, and I'm going to mix it with 2-3 colors of yellow and orange and just keep on making simple leaves. You can see the brush stroke and it's just a simple leaf. Just keep on making them, add one by one. Change the pigment. Basically you can just add on a darker green or a lighter green or mix it with more of yellow and just keep on adding these leaves. Remember to keep them in that particular line of the triangle, so not to go out, and also just change the orientation of the leaves, so keep them going somewhere on the right, somewhere on the left. Don't just make them point in one directions, or even if you want them diagonal or something, then you can make diagonal lines and just keep on adding the leaves on the right and the left side of the diagonal line, or just follow the way I am putting random orange and green leaves. This looks more of like an autumn palette, but I love the color combination of this, and this is how you just fill it up. Later you can just make a few red rounds to fill up the areas and also few strokes of dark green. With this dark green and a pointed brush you just need to make few strokes to just add in the greenery. Here in a close-up you can see what I'm doing, just adding in some dark green leaves in between to give that extra detail with that little red dots. It enhances the beauty of the tree, making it look like a Christmas tree, but it's with a twist. So I hope you're enjoying doing this, and I hope it will be a fun card to make, and definitely people are going to love it when you present it to your friends. After doing all this minute green addition to your tree, just few strokes here and there, and it's almost done. Cover it up with that cutting of the paper which you had, and now load your brush with the paint and just tap it on top of to have this nice sprinkles. Instead of the green color you can also use a gold color for the sprinkles or for the star, and your card is ready just in a blink. So I hope you like the class, and I hope you will paint such cards, give it to your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thank you.